Hi learners, very good morning. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Tulasi doing paper 1 to most expected topics. Today we are going to do on ICT. Yes, very good morning. Devi, Pushpalata, Radha, Bhavna, Shamla, Jyoti, Tamilarasi, Bomnili, Narayana Reddy, Sneha, Shan. Very good morning everyone. So today we quickly get into the topic of ICT terms. Very easy they are asking, not too difficult, with some important functionalities like if, sum if, count if, lookup, and with references. This is what they are asking in the examinations. Not too difficult. If you know the concepts means, then definitely we can do it very well. Okay, so before getting into the question, those who are new to a platform, do subscribe and watch till the end the most important concepts and the answer for the previous classes. This is the question which we gave as a homework. So the right answer for this question is option number 4, B, A, E, C, D, E. Your chronological sequence in the development of communication system. Thank you for answering in the comment section for the learners who have responded. And now we'll get into the ICT terms used in MS Excel. Most important, what is MS Excel? First of all, it is a spreadsheets where we used to do calculations, financial calculations, visual representations. All these things can be done using these Excel. Am I right? Yes. And what are the exam point of view, what are all the terms that we have to be aware of? In an Excel sheet, if we take, where we'll be having rows and columns, and each and every that small boxes, we call it as a cell. And and apart from that, knowing that, you should be aware of these important terms. I will let you know. So this is our example of our Excel sheet. Here each and every small boxes, we call it as what? These are called it as cell. And here we call it as columns. A, B, C, D, E, F are called as columns. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are being called as rows, right? And here we have this bar is called as the formula bar. We call it as a formula bar, and here we can able to insert charts over here, and here using these options we can give conditions to the to my cells, and each and everything we call it as a cell. Here we can add the sheets. These are very basic one, and the whole thing we call it as a worksheet. Okay, collection of sheets we call it as a workbook. So that's why it is being named as Excel workbook, and each and single sheet we call it as a Excel sheet, right? Our spreadsheet we used to call. And here this is called as a formula bar. Anything we used to write in the formula bar, we always start with the equal to symbol. See, this cell is referred as what? A1. Say example how this particular cell will be referred. Column number J and its number is 14. So it is referred as J14. These are very basic concepts, but I want to let you know. This is how a cell will be referred to. And here we have another concept called dollar. This dollar we use for reference. Whenever we used to write dollar symbol in front of this A means, then the value of that column will be fixed. Okay. And whenever we write 1 in front of the dollar in front of this number means, the value in that particular row will be fixed. Say example, we'll be having in after next coming slides. If we have equal to A1 means, if we have equal to A1 means, what does it mean? Whatever value is there, no, that will be taken. A1 is equal to A1 if I give means, if I give equal to A1. Say example, imagine I am giving 10 over here, and in this cell number here, if I give equal to A1 means, if I give enter, what will be carried out here? The value of 10 will be carried out here. This is normal reference, and that is called relative reference. And whenever I use dollar, very important, we are getting questions from this area, where the value of that, the value inside the cell will be fixed. That is the meaning here. So $A, $1 means what? It refers to the fixed cell with respect to both row and both column. Even the wherever you copy that cell, right, the same value will be copied over there. Always points to A1 even if we copied elsewhere. So that is what we call it as absolute reference, relative reference. Clear? Right. This example will be getting in the upcoming slides with a question. Similarly, if I lock with $1 means then that row is said to be fixed, column will be relative, it will be changing. And if I give here $A means then the column will be fixed, the row value will be changing. Okay, clear, very good. Now we go for the functionalities, major functionalities. If, sum, if, count, countif, s. What does it mean? If means what? If means giving condition. See here, I have given a condition. If this condition is true means this pass should be evaluated. If this condition is false means fail will be evaluated. If the value of A2 is greater than 50 means pass will be typed. If it is less than 50 means fail will be printed. Similarly, next sum. What I have to do here, see, this is sum A1 to A5. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. All the values of this range will be, this is called range, okay. When we give colon, this is nothing but range of values. And if sum if means what? I have to sum all the values if the range is greater than 50. If the range is greater than 50, then you can add it. That is sum if. Count means what? Count the number of values. If I give count A1 to A5 means what? It will gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will gives me the answer 5. Yes, am I clear? Right. And what does it mean? Count if B1 to B5 pass. So it will count how many times pass is there. There is a condition I am giving. You have to check B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. How many times pass term has come in that one. So count if, range, and then criteria. Then count if yes. Yes means what? It is plural form. Giving multiple condition. That's all. Giving multiple condition. See here. Here I am given one condition. Here is another condition. So here where A1 to A5. Between A1 to A5 the values should be greater than 50. And B1 to B5 pass should be there. So it should be greater than 50 and the pass also should be there. Then here it has to return me how many times it has occurred. Am I clear? Yes. So these are the very basic, most widely asked questions in the NET examinations. So with this we will start doing the problems. Very easy question. I have started with the easy one so that you will feel happy, right? Yes. Do this one. Read the question. Read this one and then do. Waiting for your answers. Waiting for answers quick. Very good. Yes. Very good, very good, very good. The right answer is what? Dash is a dash in Microsoft Excel always begin with an equal to. Just now I told you, right? The formula always starts with a equal to symbol. Yes, very good. Next question. Which MS Excel formula are equivalent to each other? Option A, A3, A4, A5, A6. Adding. B, sum of A3 range A6, A3, comma A6. Sum of A3, A4, A5, A6. Yes, very good. We have to say the equivalent. Very good. Yes. Okay, we'll go for the answer for this of this question. Here what they are doing is they are adding things. So say example, if I add one refers to the range, we have a cell here A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 columns are there, right? So I have to add. So A3, where we will be using equal to. I told you now the formula always starts with equal to. If I write A3, A4, A5, A6. Yes, this will be adding numbers. Very good. Sum of A3 to A6 means what? This is nothing but range, representing the range. So this will also adding the numbers. This is also absolutely right. And what is this A3 comma A6? Where A3 comma A6 cannot, if we add, this means it will be adding A3 plus A6. Only those two things will be added. Okay, it is different from the other two above. Next, sum of A3 comma A4, A5, A6. So it will sum from A3, A4, A5 and A6. So here the equivalent answers will be given by A, B and D. You understand? You understand? When I type it in the formula bar as like A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 means I will be adding the values of A3, A4, A5, A6. And if I add like sum of A3 colon A6 means where the range of values between A3, A4, A5, A6 will be added. Okay, A3, A4, A5, 6 will be added. And if I add sum of A3, comma A4, comma A5, comma A6 means these values. Say example, I will give 1 here, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are all the values here. So for the first one, we will be getting what? 70, 100 will be printed. For similarly, second one, 100 will be printed. What will be printed for option C? For 50 will be printed. For C, 50 will be printed. D, 100 will be printed. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. Is it clear, learners? Is it clear? Okay, very good. Moving to the next question on board. Moving to the next question on board. Easy one. Oh, sorry. Which of the functions in MS Excel counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition? Counts the number of range that meets the given condition. Very easy. I gave you the answer. Okay, the right answer for the question is count if. If it is has to meet a condition means count if. If I had given count if, S means what? It is for plural form. If I give count if, S means it is for multiple condition. Multiple condition. Okay, very good. Next question. This is the question asked in December 2024 ICT part. Where he are given A, B, C, D, E columns 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and item, quantity, price, revenue are the column names. And here they have given some items here. This is item number A11, B32 is item, C44 is an item. And this is number of quantities purchased and price of each unit. And here this is revenue. You understand? So what is the question now here? If the formula $B $2 into $C $2 is entered into cell E2. In this particular cell, if I enter $B $2 into $C $2. It is being entered into cell E2 and this formula is copied E3 and E4. What will happen in E3 and E4? Where here it also becomes what? It will be replicated. Then now what will be the values will be printed in E2, E3, E4. You understand my question? This I have told you now, just now only I told you. What will happen there? Yes, quick answers. What will happen there? Very good, waiting for your answers. Very good, very good. Yes. Very good. I'll give you the answer for this question. The right answer is what? Option number 1. Option number 1. How, ma'am? It has to, when I copied here, this value only should be copied, right? Why this value is copied? How can I get to 60, 60? I should get 279, 288, right? You can ask me. But here, what happens? $B, $2 into $C, $2. The values of that cell will be fixed even it is being copied. What is the value of B2 here? The value of B2 is 12. Value of C2 is 5. Hence, I have fixed the value of this, is this 2? I have fixed the value of B, and that also the row, it has been fixed. Even I copy to the next cells, the same will be replicated. Here 12 into 5, 60 will come. When I copy this formula here also the same 60 will be printed. Then next when I copy here also the same 60 will be printed, because the row and the column value is said to be fixed, and that is called as the absolute reference. And that is called absolute reference. Yes. Clear, learners? Okay, very good. To this question. This is also asked in this time examination. With reference to the snapshot of MS Excel worksheet given below, which of the following formula A to E? Okay, I'm sorry, here we have, yes, formula A, B, C, D, E. When entered into cell A4, here this formula is being entered, whatever formula they have given, right, when they enter, can be used to add the values 10, 20, 30. So, which formulas can be used to add 10 plus 20 plus 30? Simple, easy question. Very easy question. Yes. Waiting for your answers. Are you solving? Yes, hope you are solving. Shall we do it? Okay. Who is answering me? A, 4. Tangapon is giving 4. Okay. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 4, A, C, D, E. See, A1, A2, A1 to A3. Here what does it happen? 10 plus 20 plus 30 will be printed. A1, A3, what will be printed? 10 plus 30 will be printed. Here just assume, right, it is equal to is there in front of all the things. Okay, equal to is there. And see here, A1 plus A2 plus A3, 10 plus 20 plus 30 will be there. And again A1, A2, A3 is what? 10 plus 20 plus 30. Right? All thing will come here. Then what is this? A1 minus A3. Yes, very good. Yes. One minute. Yes. 1 minute. And here A1 minus A3. It is A1 minus A3. Here the right answer for this question is option number 1. Okay? Yes. Option number 1. That is 1 will come. Sorry, I have given wrong here. 1 minute. I will change. Okay. Sorry, learners. One minute. Can you please give me some 1 minute? Yes. E option not possible. Yes, because it is minus, right? Sorry. The right answer is A, C and D is the right answer for this question. A, C, D is the right answer because here it does 10 minus 30 will come, that is minus 20 will be printed. And here 60 will come, here 40 will come, here 60 will come, here 60 and here minus 20 will come. So here this answer and this answer are not the same. 1, A, C and D is the right answer for this question. Yes, very good. Now we move to another question with sum if. Sum if. What is the condition given? B2 colon B11. See, B2 to B11. All these cells will be selected first. And wherever we have this values, it should be less than 50, right? And then B2 colon D11. B2 colon D11. This will be given into the cell D12. Where is D12? D12 is this one. Here this formula is given. Sum if B2 to B11 is what is that here? Yes. You understand the formula here? Try to solve that question. It checks the value whenever it is less than 50. It is less than 50, it will check. Identify where is less than 50. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So this will be selected and that will be added, will be typed over here. What will be the value? What will be the value? 120, 254, 90, 245. First condition to check B2, wherever we have a less than 50, it will be selected. Second condition, go to the corresponding D2 to D11 values. That is 70, 62, 57, 65. Then you have to sum. This is based on conditions. Very good. Yes. Please, it is, see the second condition. If sum if first conditions means okay, here is another condition there. Very good. Yes. There is another condition. This is the question asked in 2023. This is the question asked in 2023. Very good. Yes. Many of you giving right answer for this question. Good, good. Yes. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. How? Because the first condition is B2 to B11 I have to select. Less than 50 I have to got it. So 40, 30, 25, 25. Then go to the next condition D2 colon D11. We have to go to the corresponding D2 to D11, that is 70, 62, 57 and 65. What you have to do? You have to sum the values. If I sum the values, I will be getting 14 carry 1, 12, 24, 254. If I give here, count means what will be the answer? If I give a count means what will be the answer? If I give a count means what will be the answer for this question? Count. If I give a count means what will be the answer? Yes. Right. If I give a count means then the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right. So in our Unified Study app, we are doing regular YouTube classes at 8:30. So don't miss the class. Tomorrow also we'll be having a class on ICT. The schedule has already been given. So tomorrow join at 8:30. If you want more questions, if you want to do means you can join the Unified Study app every day 7 to 8:15. We are practicing quick revision, PYQs and mock tests we are doing for the upcoming June examination. Again, one point I would like to insist you. If you are not ready to work on these 30 days means then again you have to sit for another 6 months for your next exam, December exam, right? Don't waste your time. Time is very, very important for us. So that only we can move to a next level in our life. So take that one line. If you are not ready to sit for this 30 days means again you have to sit for 6 more months. I think that is not needed. Please try to focus on these 30 days on the most important concepts of paper 1. Parallelly, you can give more focus towards your paper 2, right? This will be helpful for you to boost your score. That is what the intention of taking these classes. So please kindly don't miss the classes. If you want to join the app sessions, you can contact this number or visit unifystudy.com website, right? And this is your homework question. Try to answer the homework question, read it carefully and give the answer in the comment section. Okay, right, read it carefully. Here we have so many text is there. Read it and give the answer in the comment section without fail. Do share with your friends, it will be most helpful to them also. We will meet tomorrow morning.